Hello my dear students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Today with you, this is me, Shahnaz Parveen, lecturer, Department of Biology, Milestone College, Uttara, Dhaka. My dear students, you know we have already started our revision class. So today I will discuss from chapter 7 and the topic is the family of Malvaceae and Poaceae. At first, I will discuss about the creative part. So let's move to the discussion. In our creative part, at first, we need to answer knowledge-based question. For this reason, we need to learn about some knowledge. The knowledge-based question from this topic: inflorescence, placentation, placenta, perianth, estivation, floral formula, floral diagram, mother axis, spikelet and lodicule. Inflorescence. Mode of arrangement of flowers on the floral axis is known as inflorescence. Placentation. The mode of arrangement of placenta within the ovary is known as placentation. Placenta. The tissue or tissue system within the wall of the ovary holding the ovule is called placenta. Perianth. When sepals and petals cannot be distinguished with their size and color, then it is called perianth. Estivation. It is the arrangement of sepals, petals or perianth in a flower bud. Floral formula. The sign and formula by which the number of units of the floral whorls, their arrangement, position, relative structure and attachment is expressed. Floral diagram. The diagram by which the position of the different whorls of the flower in relation to the mother axis, the number of units of each whorl, their relationship, number of chambers in the ovary, placentation, etc. are expressed, it is called floral diagram. Mother axis. The axis from which the flower is created is called mother axis. Spikelet. Spikelet is the basic unit of flower, consisting of two glumes or outer bracts at the base and one or more florets above. Lodicule. Lodicules is the small green or white scale below the ovary of a grass family or flower. In this topic, the comprehensive based question is number 1. Draw a floral diagram with labeled of China rose or petty. Question number 2. Write down the floral formula of Malvaceae or Poaceae family and explain it. Question number 3. What do you mean by spikelet inflorescence? In this slide, you can see our first comprehensive based question, and the question is draw a floral diagram with label of China rose or petty. Floral diagram of China rose, which is included Malvaceae family, and petty, which is included Poaceae family, are drawn below. In this slide, you can see the floral diagram of Malvaceae family with labeling. You need to present or draw in this way Malvaceae family floral diagram. In this slide, you can see the floral diagram of Poaceae family with labeling. You need to present in this way in your khata. Question number 2. Write down the floral formula and explain it. Floral formula of Malvaceae family is, in this slide you can see the floral formula. Now you need to explain it. China rose is bisexual. The flower is actinomorphic. 5 apicalyx is present and free. 5 sepals are separated from one another. Calyx is present in flower. 5 sepals are united. The petal of flower is 5 and free. Androecium is present, united bunch. Stamens are numerous. The number of carpel in gynoecium is 5, united, and ovary is hypogynous. In this slide, you can see the floral formula of Poaceae family or Paddy. You need to explain in this way. Paddy is bisexual. The flower is zygomorphic. Bract and bracteole are present. Tepals number is 2 and free. Androecium is present and the number of stamen is 6, which is decorated in 2 cycles. The number of carpel in gynoecium is 1, free, and ovary is hypogynous. Question number 3. What do you mean by spikelet inflorescence? The answer is spikelet inflorescence is a pair of blank blooms or bract remains under each spikelet. One of 2 blooms stays a little up of the other. 2 blooms are furnished on axis. 1 or more than 1 flower stay on 2 vacant blooms. Each spikelet is consist of 2 vacant blooms. 1 flowery bloom or lemma, palea, lodicule, stamen and pistil. You need to answer in this way. Then you will get proper marks. Now I want to discuss about our applied and variability based question. In this slide you can see the stem and some questions. The stem number 1 is, in the class, Abida madam discussed the parallel venation of leaf and spikelet type inflorescence of flower in plant. Later, she showed a picture of a plant with reniform anthers. The question number C is, write the identifying characteristics of the next plant family mentioned in the stem. Or, write the identifying characteristics of the first plant family mentioned in the stem. The question number D is, analyze the difference between the 2 plant family mentioned in the stem. In this slide, you can see another stem, number is 2. In this slide, you can see the figure P and figure Q. C number question is, write down the identifying characteristics of the family representing figure P in the stem. Or, write the identifying characteristics of the family representing figure Q in the stem. The question D is, analyze the difference between the 2 plant family mentioned in the stem. Dear students, maybe you noticed that these 2 stems question is same. So, I will show you the answer how you can write it. The family of the second plant is Malvaceae family. You need to mention it and then you will discuss about the characteristics of Malvaceae family in this way. The following common characteristics in the case of the plants of Malvaceae family are, the plant is herb, shrub or tree. Plants here are and mucilage or slippery sap. Stem. The plant is mostly wooden, branched, fibrous and hairy. Root. Taproot system is present in Malvaceae family. Leaf. In Malvaceae family, leaf is simple, alternate with open laterally, stipule with stalk, reticulate venation. Inflorescence. Mainly regular or cymose, but it is often produced intrapetiolar or single. Flower. In Malvaceae family, we see the flower is single, large, regular, bisexual with apicalyx, hypogynous flower. Calyx. Sepals are, number is 5, united or separate. Astribution is valvate or margin touching. Petals are 5 in number, free but connected in the base with the sepals. Astribution is twisted. Androecium. Innumerable stamen, a bunch hollow stamen tube is created being connected stamen. Filament, anther is reniform and pollen grain is large and thorny. Gynoecium. Carpel number is vary species to species and the number is 1 to 10 or more. then that the generally 5 to 10 connected ovary is hypogynous, possessing one or many chambers, generally possessing 5 chambers. Placentation is axial and fruit type is capsule, berry or schizocarp. In this slide you can see the another answer, the question number C. The family of the first plant is Poaceae family. General characteristics of Poaceae family are: plant. Most of species are annual or perennial herbs, rarely shrubs or trees. Stem. Cylindrical, hollow at internodes, some are solid. Root. Fibrous root system, sometimes adventitious root develop from the nodes. Leaf. Simple, alternate, arranged in 2 rows, linear or sagittate. Leaf-based sheathing and amphixical, hairy, scaly or hairy ligules present at the junction of leaf base and lamina. Venation parallel is found in this Poaceae family. Inflorescence. Spikelet or spike, a pair of dry, scaly, empty glumes are present at the base of the spikelet. Each flower remains covered by 2 bracts, upper palea and lower lemma. Flower. In this Poaceae family, the flower is so small, generally bisexual, rarely unisexual, incomplete, and flower is hypogynous type. Perianth. Tepals generally 2, rarely 3, scaly, lodicules or absent. Androecium. Stamen 3 or 6, filament is long, anther is versatile. Gynoecium. Carpel number is 1, style 1, stigma biface, feathery, ovary, unilocular, single, basal ovule, ovary superior, anemophilous. Placentation type is basal and the fruit is caryopsis, seeds are albuminous types. In this way, if you answered in this question, then you will get the proper number. In this slide, you can see the question number D. Analyze the difference between the 2 plant family mentioned in the stem. In the stem, you can see there are 2 family mentioned in 2 family, which is Poaceae and Malvaceae family. Poaceae family, the first character is herb, some are trees. And in Malvaceae family, herb, shrub or trees. Bunch root is present in Poaceae family. Taproot is present in Malvaceae family. Stem is tubular and internodes are hollow. In Malvaceae family, stem is woody and branched. In Poaceae family, leaf is simple, alternate with ligule and parallel venation. Malvaceae family, leaf is simple, alternate, open lateral with stipule and reticulate venation. Flower is incomplete and trimerous. Flower is large, complete and pentamerous in Malvaceae family. In Poaceae family, stamen is generally 3 in number, anther is linear and versatile. But in Malvaceae family, stamen is innumerable, anther is single and kidney-shaped. Carpel number is 1 in Poaceae family, but Malvaceae family carpel number is 5 to 10. Ovary is single chambered, ovary is 5 to 10 chambered in Malvaceae family. Placentation is basal type, but in Malvaceae family, placentation is axial type. Fruit is caryopsis, but Malvaceae family, fruit is capsule, berry or schizocarp. In this slide, you can see another stem which show by 2 figure number A and figure number B. The question number C is, write the identifying characteristics of the family representing B in the figure shown to the stem. Or write the identifying characteristics of the Malvaceae family. And the question number D is, the family figure A represented in the stem play a greater economic importance than the family B figure. Analyze it. Dear students, we already answered the question number C. in our another stem number 2 and 1. Now I will discuss about the question number D. The plant of the stem belongs to family of Poaceae. The economic importance of Poaceae are given below. Cereals: wheat, maize, rice, oat, barley, bajra are most important cereals. Cereals contain a high percentage of carbohydrates, considerable amount of properties and some fat and vitamins. Sugar. Sugarcane is used for main source of sugar. Sugar are soluble carbohydrate food matter. Example: glucose, fructose and sucrose. Paper. Grass and bamboo are used for preparing of papers. Make home. Bamboo is also used for making poles, chairs, baskets, tables and house. It also used in cottage industry. Cattle food. Grass and straw of rice, wheat or maize is used as cattle food. Cosmetic industry. Lemongrass is used in cosmetic industry for making perfumed oil. On the other hand, B plant of the stem belongs to Malvaceae family. Economic importance of Malvaceae family are given below. Textile industry. Carpus is used in cotton industry. It is widely used in surgery after sterilize. Edible oil is found seeds of carpus. Medicinal plant. China rose is used for hair treatment. It is also used for dysentery and hemorrhoids. Tender of flower is good for physical weakness. This flower is also used as a material of worship and study. Fiber. Fiber is collected from the bark which is used to make rope, bag, mattress, canvas, etc. Ornamental plants. Land lotus is planted in the garden for beautification. It can be seen from the above discussion that Poaceae family has a greater importance than the Malvaceae family. Dear students, you have to answer in this way your ability question. Now I will discuss about some multiple question. The previous family name of Poaceae is Gramineae. The cotyledon of monocots are 1. The most advanced family of monocots is Orchidaceae. Monocots roots nature is fibrous. Monocots leaves venation type is parallel. Monocot plants flower are trimerous. Monocot plants embryo position is lateral. In Poaceae family, most of the plant habit is herbs. In Poaceae family, most of the plant stem is cylindrical. Adventitious root develop from the nodes. Ligules are present in Poaceae family. In Poaceae family, inflorescence type is spikelet. The flower of Poaceae family is small and incomplete. The empty glooms number in rice is 2. The stamens arrangement in rice is 3 plus 3. The anther of rice is versatile. Carpel number of Gynoecium is 1, which is found in Poaceae family. Stigma of rice is feathery. The pollination system is air pollinated, which is found in Poaceae family. In Poaceae family, the placentation type of rice is basal. Fruit type of rice is Caryopsis. The floral sign of Androecium is, you can see in this slide. The floral sign of Gynoecium is, you can see in the slide. The floral sign of Perianth is P. The floral sign of Zygomorphic is, in this slide you can see it. The floral sign of Actinomorphic is, you can see also in this slide. The floral sign of Bisexual is, you can see in this slide. The floral sign of numerous is, you can see in this slide. The cotyledon of dicots are 2. The dicot root's nature is taproot. Dicot leaves venation type is reticulate. Dicot's plant's flower is tetra or pentamerous. In dicot plants, embryo position is apical. In Malvaceae family, stamens number are numerous. In Malvaceae family, anther is kidney-shaped or reniform. Pollen grains are spiny in Malvaceae family. Placentation of Malvaceae is axile. Inflorescence type is cymose or solitary. Fruit type is capsule. Endosperm of angiosperm is triploid. Hope all of you understand and enjoyed a lot today's class. If you have any question, ask your subjective teacher. Thank you so much for being with me and for your attention.